guys, today we are going to unbox the Redmi Note 8 phone. So let's go. Let's check the specs. So this phone has a 48MP quad cameras, 18-watt fast charging, a Snapdragon 665 and a Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Auto cleaning speakers, wide angle, ultra wide angle and depth lens. Now this model which I have ordered is the Moonlight white version of 4GB 64GB variant. Now this is what the box looks like. Now let's quickly unbox. And some documentation. Keeping this all aside, let's check what is there inside more. Okay, so the main phone. Let's keep this aside. Let's check. So we are getting the USB type C and the charger supports around 18 watts and nothing else in the box. So putting the box aside, let's go to the phone. Now you can see over here bottom a 3.5mm jack and a microphone with a type C port and a speaker. On the right you have a volume rockers and a power button. On the top you have a IR blaster and a secondary slot and a primary SIM ejecting tray. Dedicated card slot for micro LED. So these are the accessories which we are getting. Now let's power it on. Like quickly go on booting. I'll skip all the settings. English next. Skip this.